Hello viewers, this is Nitin Giri from Pragati Software Pvt Ltd, and this video is a part of our training tutorial. In this video, I'll be explaining you how to apply animations to a bulleted list and charts using PowerPoint 2010. Usually when we talk about PowerPoint animations, majorly PowerPoint animations are applied to a bulleted list and charts. As you can see the preview over here, I've tried to apply some animation effects over here, and I'll be explaining you this entire procedure. And to complete this particular two different animations on bulleted list and chart, as you can see, I have already prepared a slide over here, and on this slide we'll be applying an animation. So to do this particular entire thing, I'll just come back to a normal screen over here. Now, to apply animations to a bulleted list, you have to keep a cursor inside a bulleted list. Then in 2010 we have a tab animations. Under this you can just click on this drop down box. As you can see that animation effects are divided into four different terms called entrance, emphasize, exit and motion bar. Now currently we want our bullet points to be introduced one after the other. So for this particular part we'll be going for entrance effect. You can either select an animation effects from here, or you can just click on more entrance effect to see the list of all animations, and from here you can select what animation is best suitable for your list. To apply an animation there is no hard fast rule, but currently over here for this bulleted list, the animation that I'm going to apply is flying. So you can see that effects, the bulleted points are coming one after the other. If I just say OK. Now to quickly have a preview over here, you can see there is a slideshow button. Now on my first click, the first point arises, so that the presenter has now a time to elaborate a description regarding about this point. Then click, so second point, again a click, third point. So each point is now dependent upon a click event, and after every click a new point arises. So this is how we apply an animation to a bulleted list. The second object where we really require an animation is chart. I've prepared a small chart over here, which is a simple column chart. To apply an animation on this chart, you have to just click a chart object. You have to make sure that your chart object is selected. After that you can go for animation. Again we want to introduce our animation for a chart, so we'll just go on saying for more entrance effect. Under this, as I've said, that animation there can be decided by the presenter, what is the best suitable. Over here I would select white. OK. You can just see that white effect has been added over here. To quickly check the preview on a slide itself, we have an animation pane over here. By clicking on this, we have an animation pane, and over here we have a play button. So once you click on play, the animation is previewed over here. Now currently this animation is too fast over here. It goes on very speedily. So to decrease the animation speed, we have a duration over here. So you can just increase this duration. Now play. Subjects are played in a little slower mode. Now currently with one single click all my objects of a chart are displayed. Now to make this animation one by one to each category over here, we'll just click on this drop down. Under that, effect options, chart animation. And now over here you can just see that animation has been applied for an entire object. So instead of object, we'll make this thing as by series. So series means north, east, west and south. So there are four different series. Select OK. So you see that first background, then the columns are view. To check this thing on a full screen, we can once again click on this icon. You see that on my first click I have only a grid of a chart. So now presenter has a time to introduce this particular objects one. So this is all about an animations on a chart. Hope you find a valuable addition to your knowledge with this video. Thank you. See you soon.